In North Korea, if one person commits a crime, his entire bloodline, including the grandparents, parents, and children, are sent to prison. In 2010, Lady Gaga wore the real meat dress at MTV Video Music Award. Potato chips were invented when a chef lost his temper with a customer who kept asking for his potatoes to be more fried and thinner. Your brain can play tricks on you to make you see monsters in the mirror called the Troxler effect. When anglerfish mate, they melt into each other and share their bodies forever. The first meme was created in the year 1921. Watching Netflix for 30 minutes harm planet as much as driving car for 6 kilometers. A new study by scientists from UK revealed it. If an employee of Google dies, their spouse will receive half their pay for 10 years as well as stock benefits. Children will receive $1,000 per month until they turn 19. Many Chinese medical tourists who go to South Korea for inexpensive and high quality plastic surgery have difficulty re entering China due to their passport photos not matching their new face post operation. The summit of Mount Everest is made of marine limestone, which means the highest point on earth was once at the bottom of sea. In 1942, a 12 years old lied about his age to join the navy. He became a decorated war hero at the age of 13 but was thrown out of the navy after his mom found out. The people of North Korea may only choose from 28 approved haircuts. Disobeying this result in jail. 97% of people type in words to Google just to see if they were spelled it right. North Korean teen who was chosen to go to the International Mathematical Olympiad used it to escape North Korea and start a new life. Romeo and Juliet was not a love story. It was a 3-day relationship between a 13 years old and a 17 years old that caused 6 deaths. Treatment for headaches in 1890, their motto was to strike them swiftly and pray the demons out. The camera used in many space missions are so powerful that it can see your shoe's color and size from space. She is Mary Beatrice Kenner, the woman who invented simple sanitary pads for women. Her invention has helped billions of women and children to get rid of various diseases. Lay's sold limited edition crispy covered in milky chocolate said to have a salty sweet combination along with the texture of warm melted chocolate and a crunchy chips. In 2019, a man robbed almost $8,000 from 2 banks in Israel while carrying an avocado that looked like a grenade. The 2000 years old preserved body of the Lady of Dai still has her own hair and soft skin. These children playing with cash that became worthless after World War I in Berlin, Germany 1920. Did you know father of Indian industry, founder of Tata Group, Jamsetji Tata was the first Indian to own a car? This photo is from inside of an airplane was taken in 1930. The world's largest traffic jam occurred in Beijing, China. It was about 60 miles long and lasted for 11 days. Louis Le Prince, who filmed the first motion picture, disappeared without a trace. Afterwards, Thomas Edison took credit as being the first inventor of cinematography. On Saturn's moon Titan, the gravity and atmosphere is perfect enough for humans to fly like a bird just by attaching pair of wings. This salt is made from human tears and different emotions, and it is available to buy. In 2017, astronomers beamed radio message to one of the most Earth-like planet called Titan B, 12.4 light years away. If aliens exist there, we can expect a reply by year 2042. Barbie's full name is Barbara Millicent Roberts. Do you know chips bags are pumped full of nitrogen? You can't breathe and swallow simultaneously. In 2009, a man sued PepsiCo alleging he found a mouse in his Mountain Dew can. PepsiCo lawyers successfully defended the company by proving that a mouse would dissolve inside the soda in a few days. Shark can sense a drop of blood from 4 kilometers away. Phineas Gage, arguably the most famous neuroscience patient who survived even after an iron rod impaled his skull. In 2019, a cinema in Canada accidentally played the horror movie The Curse of La Llorona instead of Detective Pikachu. Terrified children then began to cry and scream. In Vietnam, marriage applicants must acquire a certificate of good mental health from a doctor, proving that they are mentally sound for marriage before being allowed to marry. Back in 1925, Gladys Roys and Luan Unger played a bit of tennis on the wings of the biplane that was on flight. Jails in Brazil reduce the sentence of their prisoner by 4 days for every book they read and write a report on it. This meteorite discovered in Sahara Desert has been found to be older than the Earth itself. Meteorite is approximately 4.6 billion years old, while Earth is said to be 4.54 billion years old. In 2018, rat chew up cash worth Rs 12 lakh in SBI ATM machine and die later. World first space hotel to be built by 2027. It will have the capacity of 400 guests and will cruise around Earth in 90 minutes. Apart from hotel room, it will also have its own bar, cinema, spa, and Earth viewing lounges. In 2001, a Florida man wrestled a shark out of the water to recover his nephew's arm that had been bitten off. Doctors managed to successfully reattach it. Real diamonds do not show up on X-ray. Examination hall in Saudi Arabia. You get water, chocolate, sandwich, ice cream, napkins, and tea during exams. This is the shortest international bridge in the world. On the right is Canada, on the left is USA. There are specially trained people that tell stars where to stop on the red carpet. There is a reverse zoo in China that's put you in a cage and lets the animal run free. Your foot is exactly as long as the distance from your wrist to the crook of your elbow. The reason you wake up just before you die in a dream is because the brain does not know what comes after death.